It starts with
one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. Time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. It didn't know. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. Giving it to me will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so
Vedi quando lui ha battuto quella palla sul secondo fallo, loro fanno sto passaggio e dobbiamo già uscire. È questo, chiaro? Stiamo calciando in porta noi adesso, loro non si guardano.
I designed this rhyme to remind myself I tried so hard. In spite of the way you reminded me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me. I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You didn't even recognize me anymore. Now that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me would eventually be a memory of the time I tried so hard. And that's so far.
Allora, da parte di tutta la squadra dell'Under19 abbiamo un regalo per il Mister Diego. Allora chiediamo a Mister Diego se si alza. Grande Mister, applauso Mister! Allora abbiamo pensato tutti insieme di farle questo regalo, Mister.
Ah, che grande!
Un applauso per il Mister! Leggi la frase, mister.
A volte vinci, a volte impari. Tu, Diego, spacca tutto. Dai.
Bravo!
Grazie, raga.